It's dinner time, we're hungry, and there's one thing we all like, and probably most of you. What is it, boys and girls?
Pizza!
It's pizza night. The first thing we're gonna do is get our ingredients out. So we already got pre-made sauce. I'm doing barbecue sauce. I'm gonna do barbecue chicken.
Okay, hold on.
Rai-Rai's gonna do, are you doing cheese or are you doing pepperoni?
Here we go.
Cheese.
Are you doing, wait, does she like cheese?
Yeah, of course I do.
I think we've seen this somewhere before.
Dad, can I eat a lot of cheese now?
You want to eat a lot of cheese again? Yeah. It's gonna...
I think I like cheese more than you.
I like cheese more than you.
Okay, bring it up, you two.
Aiden, are you doing pepperoni in yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're having pepperoni?
He likes pepperoni.
Oh, I think I ate.
Nope.
Okay,
Here,
Dad.
Pepperoni.
Okay.
Okay, so we're doing,
Pepperoni is
See, look.
hot.
I ate all of that.
it's okay. We got all of this.
Okay, we got it, Mom. We got it.
Okay.
This is extra pepperoni. It is hot. It is hot.
I see.
Salami.
We shred our cheese because
I'm
I
trying.
just think it tastes better.
Huh?
And you
So
can
we got
have
two types.
pepperoni.
We got mozzarella and Monterey Jack.
We're making our own personal pizzas.
Mhm.
Let me do it. And we're gonna do this the easy way.
Dad, can
Nobody got time to be
This is
making
too
their
heavy, Dad.
homemade
Way too heavy.
pizza crust. We've got
I have this.
already made. Here, you want your tiny one?
Yeah, I want that one.
Mommy, I want the
Okay, we're gonna
regular
do this one.
size.
No.
You're gonna make a regular size pizza.
No, Mom, it's Mommy and Daddy, because you won't eat all that.
I'm gonna make some pepperoni for you two.
Okay, Daddy, should I start bringing the ingredients over?
Yeah, yes, I'm gonna use barbecue sauce for mine though.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay.
Okay, so first. Wow! Look at all the cheese. Do the dance. Do the dance. Do the dance.
Mommy, can I have this pizza?
Okay. Here, I already have yours, baby.
Can I have it?
Okay. That's really good.
So good.
You can't eat all cheese, so why do you like pizza?
I like pizza because there's cheese in it. And it's melted cheese.
So basically, you're just about cheese.
Melted cheese on the pizza and sauce under it. Not spicy sauce.
Regular tomato sauce, right?
Aiden, why do you like pizza, Aiden?
Because it got so many healthy ingredients. Use the ingredients.
Healthy ingredients in
Healthy
pizza.
ingredients.
Cheese.
Cheese. Pepperoni.
Cheese is healthy.
Pepperoni is salami and
Right, you're
potato
right.
sauce because it's made
You
out
are
of
dropping
potato.
it
That's
all
why I
over
always
the
want
floor,
to eat
sweetie.
pizza.
Okay. Look at that. We've got 2 heaps of cheese. Oh, what are you doing?
Hey, come here.
Wow.
Okay,
Right,
enough.
Leah.
No more cheese.
Right, Leah.
No, we are good. No. Different cheeses. This is Monterey. That is mozzarella.
Oh, but if you mix it up, it'll be good.
You can do that, but do it on your own.
Here, let's do our own. Here we go.
Okay, I'm gonna cook
So,
mine.
first things first.
I
Thank you,
don't
baby.
want sauce on my pizza.
Yeah, you do.
You gotta
always
have,
do.
you
Yeah.
always have tomato sauce. Watch
We
your
don't know
brother. Look at him go. Here we go.
I'm a master at making pizza.
He's a real Chef
Yes.
Boyardee. Making pizzas with our family, these are moments you always remember. I used to make pizzas with my parents back when these things first came out. I'm not going to date myself, but it's been a while. And so it's fun now to be able to do these with the kids. Everybody can make their own, right, Mama?
Yep. Okay,
So
Ray, good
I'm
job.
doing barbecue chicken on mine.
I'm gonna do
That's good.
pepperoni
Vegetarian or
and
pepperoni?
I'm gonna do pepperoni, cheese, and olives
Yeah, I'm just ready for
on
you, too.
mine.
Yeah,
Okay,
wait.
that's good, baby girl. Now you
You need
get
more
to
sauce,
do
Aiden?
your
cheese.
favorite thing.
No, I'm
I
gonna let the crust be so I can cut and eat it with the crust.
First, this cheese. I tried it. That's good.
love. Good job. Good job, Aiden. Yours is so very precise. It's like you're coloring in your coloring book, huh?
Add a little more to that, buddy.
Okay.
I love making pizzas with the kids because it's really cool to see them do their own thing. And it's something that, I love the little stages of it. And it's easy and
So
fun.
easy.
So easy, right?
Right, you putting cheese on yours?
Yep, a lot of cheese since I love cheese.
You love cheese?
Yep, so maybe
Here we go, Dad.
a lot
No.
of cheese.
Nice job. What are you gonna add on top of that? You gonna put the pepperoni on there?
Pepperoni and cheese.
Okay,
First, I'm gonna put the cheese.
Cheese first, and then pepperoni.
I'm putting cheese on it first.
Wow, Raya, that's a lot of cheese. That looks amazing.
I'm gonna turn it into macaroni pizza.
Oh, and look at Aiden. See, you see how different they are? I love it. Look at that.
There you go.
Wait, is there any crust in there?
Flatten it up.
Flatten it up.
So,
Okay, you don't want any pepperoni on yours at all?
we make barbecue
No.
sauce. This one didn't have a label, so I'm using this one first. Kinda like
Mommy
that.
loves cheese too.
You're putting more cheese.
We're gonna need to cut some more cheese, Dada. Oh, cut the cheese.
Got that.
Raya, yours looks absolutely beautiful. Aiden,
And then-
yours looks
It
fantastic.
doesn't have barbecue pizza. Are you serious, Dad?
Mhm, Good.
Aiden, do you want some of the pepperoni?
Yeah. Can you pass it over to me?
How easy this is. It's so fun. It gets everyone involved in the
Yep.
kitchen, and that's very important.
And they learn
My
how to
mother-
use basic stuff like a grater.
Well, our mother had us in the kitchen at 8.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's really important to start your kids early in the kitchen so they can start, feeling comfortable.
Get it for me?
And also, I've said this before, when you get kids involved in the process of cooking, they're actually more susceptible to try it. And plus, it's just fun getting everyone involved.
I'm gonna put cheese.
I'm gonna add some green bell peppers.
Shredded
Do we have
chicken.
bell peppers, Bella?
Yeah, red bell peppers, is that okay?
No.
What red bell peppers taste better, actually?
No, I like green bell peppers on
I don't
mine.
know if I got green bell peppers. I don't know if I do.
Look how gorgeous this looks.
Hey, Mommy, look at my
We
pizza.
do.
Yes. Looks like.
Look at Mommy's. Mommy's adding some green
Mama,
vegetables. Yes. Perfecto.
My pizza's almost.
Raya,
Ugh. Are you kidding me,
I'm
cheese
just happy
monster?
she's not lactose intolerant. We'd all be in trouble. Are you eating the cheese off of the pizza you just made?
Now there's cheese.
Oh, you're eating Daddy's cheese that he
Hey.
just cut up?
hey! Right, no! That is my cheese!
The best pizza
That's mine.
I've ever had.
I don't mind.
Chicago was one of.
Yeah,
I had their deep dish pizza.
Chicago deep dish.
Oh,
I would
and
say,
then New York.
you're
My
just.
favorite pizza is my own.
Oh,
oh, well, then it's perfect for you tonight.
yes.
I would say Chicago deep dish. I agree with you, baby. But I also like when we were in Italy. A couple of pizzas we had over there, which are they're just obviously just different.
Yeah.
So good. Oh my gosh.
They
I
are.
hate that pizza over there.
You never had it.
You've
so-
never been to Italy, dude.
Well, we went to Italy town, remember?
Oh, we went
Oh.
to we went to
We went
North
to
Beach,
Italy
San,
town?
North Beach in San Francisco.
Oh, yes. What are you doing now? Oh, you're eating the chicken.
This chicken
I thought that was a
is
big block of cheese. Although she has
She
done
wouldn't
that
put it past her.
good. This chicken is good.
So here's mine. We've got tomato sauce, cheese,
Pull up burger.
olives, and green bell peppers. And here's Mariah's
Ta-da!
cheese.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Ta-da!
What do you guys
This
put on
is
your
Aiden.
pizza?
Daddy
What are
And
some?
Daddy's making his.
Where's the best pizza you've had? Let us know in the comments down below, because maybe when we're in your town, we'll try
I hope they can beat all of them.
it. Yes. So where's the best pizza you've had? And if you make pizza at home, what are some of the unique things you put on your pizza? Let us know in the comments down below. Right? So Mommy's. Where's Riley? Where's yours?
It's in the,
Where's
I have
Riley's
it.
cheese pie?
Mommy has it.
There's so much cheese, the cheese is falling on the ground.
1, 2, 3.
All right, how many minutes do we put it in there?
8 to 10.
8 to 10 minutes. You see how easy that is?
Yeah,
Whenever parents say pizza night, whether
Okay,
you do it
guys, we're
yourself
gonna
or
just
ordering
wait.
in,
Put the
it means
camera.
you're really tired and you just want to make something quick, easy, and
Pizza and beer.
it's something that everyone enjoys.
Pizza and beer.
It's always a success.
You know, as we do this, the only debate ever really was whether or not they were going to eat pepperoni or just cheese. But you and I have always been on the same page.
Yeah, because I feel like you're not really the Hawaiian pizza type of guy. I think that's the only time I would be like, no, I don't like pineapples on my pizza. When we have parties and stuff,
Yeah,
yes.
we'll get it. But
I feel like
What?
usually in a household, when someone likes Hawaiian pizza, there's always going to be some type of division there. Because not everybody loves Hawaiian pizza. It's kind of like mint chocolate chip ice cream.
I love mint chocolate
And
chip.
we both love mint chocolate chip ice cream. But I was always the weirdo as a child in our family. No one liked mint chip.
No one judged me.
Oh. I think
You don't need to wipe the board down.
ate
No, somewhere.
all the cheese.
No, right here. Here you missed. Right here.
Oh my gosh.
Take a
She's
little
like a
vacuum.
cheese vacuum.
Just don't get
Wow. There she goes.
All right, you made a
Mariah.
mess on the
Wow.
floor.
It's okay.
That's okay.
A great chef just goes crazy in the kitchen, huh?
Are you full of cheese?
Let
Let me, I think I can hear cheese in your stomach. Oh, that's a lot of cheese swirling around in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, I feel it. Oh, lots of cheese.
You are a cheese machine, right? What are some of the pizzas that you guys have in your house, and you guys fight over any of them? And is there anything unique you've had? Like, I don't like anchovies on my pizza.
Ah, you might have found a difference here.
You like anchovies on pizza?
I don't mind them.
You're the one?
I like anchovies in salad, Caesar salad.
Well, I mean, Caesar salad is
I
only
love-
chopped up small. But I don't like a full swimmer. No.
There she goes. She's moving on to salami.
All right, you need to save space for the pizza you're about to eat.
No more salami.
No.
All right, looks like a big chunk of cheese.
That looks awesome.
That's all right.
There's so much cheese, it's melting over the pizza. Huh?
I guess we got you a lot of cheese today.
Look at Aiden's. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at yours. Perfect.
Yours
Okay.
Yours is pretty close.
Yes.
Yes, right.
My crust just needs to brown a little bit.
I want to put some cilantro on mine.
This looks like restaurant style. That looks amazing, right? It really does.
Thank you very much.
Look how perfect Aiden's is.
There's your
Absolutely perfect. Look at this. And Ari's is great too.
I learned the hard way, putting cilantro on pizza when it was still in the oven, big mistake, because it burned. So you put it on right when it comes out,
Yeah.
and it'll actually cook up with the heat. Just enough.
Araya,
That's pretty good, actually.
you want to try yours? I think for presentation, both the boys win. Aiden's, and he did it himself. What a beautiful job. Aiden,
Good job, brother.
good job with your pizza. Yo,
You
you
come over
have two
here.
legs.
Put down the phone and come over here, brother. Hurry up.
Look at this. This is beautifully done. Ari's is great too.
Rice
Hers is
cheese.
cheesy. Look at that.
Rise exactly the way she wants it.
Yours pepperoni. Yours is cheese.
We survived. The kitchen survived. The cheese didn't survive. But here's how it looked. Look at that.
I think we did an amazing job, right, Araya?
I'm pretty excited.
Aiden?
Alright, why does yours look like catfish?
It doesn't look like
Oh, the
It's so
whiskers.
white.
Yes, it's
The
the white part.
whiskers, it's the
I get it. At first I was like, I get it. But you
All right.
guys did an amazing job.
Nice job, guys.
Yay!
All right. Wait, so if everybody wants to watch us, what do they do?
Like and subscribe to the Housey Live.
If you watch our other videos, you can watch more of them. We make the food, our pizza. We make 2 pizza videos.
Oh my
This
gosh.
look like
What?
Subscribe to the Housey Live.